if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster.
Thank you dear friends from the media. It's wonderful to have you here at such a short notice. My congratulations, I was staying in JW, there was a lot of rain. I was just praying to the rain gods that it goes up smoothly because Bombay was flooded in the last 2 days. So anyway, thank you for braving it up to be here. So, I mean, it is a wonderful historic day for us. Like Raila was telling, we had a fantastic experience going out there in Calcutta and in Sundarbans. But before I go there, I'll tell you the history behind the whole situation. In the year 2005, when Country Club launched the Country Club Bandipur Wildlife Project in Karnataka, that was inaugurated by the then Minister for Forest, Renuka Chaudhary. That it was the Save the Tiger project where we had participated, and then it was one of the most amazing hits of the Country Club so far. People from around the world are visiting the place, and then it is situated next to the Bandipur Wildlife Project. So today to get a room has become very difficult there, and there are a lot of people coming from the north, east, south, west and abroad. So we decided to set up another center here in the eastern region. So that is how this Country Club Wildlife at Sundarban has taken place. And Sundarban, as you know, is one of the biggest delta covering more than 10,000 square kilometers, out of which about 2/3 is in Bangladesh and 1/3 is in India. It was a spectacular sight. We had lovely Bengal tigers, cheetahs, alligators, leopards, and it was, it's one of the most amazing places yet to be discovered, I would say. This will attract a lot of attention, especially from foreign tourists also. The place is really blessed, and the only thing is, people committed to preserve wildlife like Country Club. We have done a huge campaign, Save the Tiger. Save the Tiger was initiated by the Country Club in a huge manner, and today, we are one of the biggest players who have committed to this cause and to preserve wildlife, to preserve nature as it is. I always feel that human beings are more dangerous than wildlife. So the wildlife is depleting while the human race is increasing, and this has been my constant endeavor throughout these years. And we had been to all the foreign countries, in fact all the wildlife projects in Kenya, Masai Mara and all these areas. And today what we have created in Bandipur is a world-class property. And now we are again set to create another beautiful project at Sundarbans, and we are launching the card today, the Country Club Chalo Sundarbans at in Calcutta. So this is going to be a 100-room project, and I'm sure over a period of time this will be a huge asset to all the members of the Country Club, to all the 2 million members of the Country Club. Not only that, apart from that, you have a lot of people from abroad as it is visiting Bandipur. We are not able to accommodate them. So hence the need of the company today is to also look for other properties in the north, northeast, western markets. who will be able to share our vision and will be also partnering with us in our endeavor to promote wildlife and to promote a balance between human beings and, of course, animal kingdom. So, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that was just a eye opener. I would personally like to invite all of you. I will take you on a personal cruise into the Sundarbans. Give me 2 days time, and our team will make sure that you are properly accommodated. Sent to Calcutta, you will be taken by a tour to Sundarbans. Spend an evening in the boat, like how we did. This is really, I've gone to a lot of places. I've gone to a lot of places around the world, in Alaska, in Singapore, in Hong Kong, and all that. And but this is one of the best tours. You find so many beautiful memories and so many beautiful things to share. Actually, nature has really been very kind, and if you really want to see that, we will arrange, and you will go. Select Media will try to take them there, and you'll see what exactly we are doing. This is exactly what we have done in Bandipur also. मैं पूजा बेटी और उनके बच्चों को भी लेके गया मैं. I wanted to make people understand how safe it is for the families to visit the place. And Pooja Bedi was very cooperative. We had the entire media following us, and it was an eye-opener for the rest of the world that क्या है जंगल में क्या होता है. जंगल में, I mean, if you are safe, if you are following the parameters, you are very safe. So, in fact, at that time also I invited all the media and people from, I think, even Bombay had come there, and they have covered the entire area of Bandipur. So, similarly, I would like to share my thoughts and my views about what I think about the Sundarbans Delta, and it is unexplored, and we will be the torchbearers to take forward this beautiful industry. Thank you.
मैंगलोर के लिए तो बहुत फेमस है, पूरा हिंदुस्तान जानता है, ब्रह्मांड जानता है. अब सुंदरवन जो है कंट्री क्लब के लिए जाना जाएगा. किस प्रकार से ये दिमाग में आया कि वहाँ कंट्री क्लब होना चाहिए और क्या कुछ तैयारियां हुई, थोड़ा बताना चाहिए.
We have already bought a property with 20 rooms, and we are going to make it into 100 rooms in the next 1 year. So, I mean, this has become a necessity because of our unusual heavy response to our country club Bandipur project in Karnataka. A lot of people from around the world are showing interest in wildlife. Like मैं खुद जाके आया था मैं Africa को, and it was very difficult for me also to get accommodation. So I realized the need that today a lot of people around the world are taking up wildlife as a very big vacation place, and they want to be as close to nature as possible. So this wildlife tourism is the next big step of the country club expansion. Since we have already been very, very successful in preserving wildlife and in our project in Bandipur, we thought the next big step will be in Sundarban, and so far it has not been properly explored. Not many people have gone there, and Country Club, as a pioneer, as a leader in this industry, will take the one step forward and guide the entire industry to like a small child and take it forward and show the people exactly what beautiful place is this. 10,000 square kilometers is not a joke. 10,000 square kilometers, mangroves, hidden delta, divided between Bangladesh and India is something unbelievable and unexplored. You find royal tigers, cheetahs, leopards, alligators, and also, I mean, it's unbelievable actually. Unless you come and see and have a look. मैं खुद परेशान हुआ मैं. I went there. 2 दिन में तो अब आना दिलने लगा मेरे वापस. I wish I was actually jobless or I was taking a bigger vacation because it's so beautiful. And basically, I am a nature lover myself. I love nature, and मेरे को more than the cities. मैं पहले न्यूयॉर्क, लंदन, पेरिस बहुत घूमता था पहले. But उस तरफ गए तो भी I don't feel like really enjoying the city. I enjoy wildlife. Basically, I am a wildlife lover actually. So that is the reason I am basically committed. The country club is committed. The entire 2 million members of the country club come forward and support this unique mission of preserving wildlife and staying rooted to humanity to protect wildlife. It's a pledge we are all taking, and we will continue to go ahead and try to preserve this wonderful planet of ours.
सर पूरे हिंदुस्तान में, पूरे इंडिया में कंट्री क्लब अपने फूड के लिए जाना है, बहुत बेहतरीन खाना मिलता है। सुंदरबन में जो कंट्री क्लब फूड है, कोई स्पेशल डिश होगा वहाँ। और इसके अलावा ये भी जानना चाहेंगे कि जो मेंबर ओल्ड मेंबर है या जो नए मेंबर बनने वाले हैं, सुंदरबन जाने की वहाँ डिस्काउंट है या उनके लिए कुछ योजनाएं हैं?
Yeah, we are coming out with the new discount. We are always member friendly. We have grown only because of our members. Our strength is our members. We always try to keep them happy. We always come out with new concepts. Now, this time we are coming out with 2 nights, 3 days free Sundarban Country Club Chalo Sundarban scheme. Mein. So, we'll make sure that the members visit the place along with their families. Remember one thing, Country Club is popular, is a big hit because Country Club mein we encourage families. Father, mother, bache, the nana, nani. The number of families that visit the country club nowhere else in the world, I think, because that the concept we have built up because we want families to grow. We want people to enjoy it along with the families, along with bache के साथ. It is the biggest education for the children. जो स्कूल में पढ़ाते, कॉलेज में पढ़ाते, मैं तो कुछ नहीं सीखा, बट परसों गए वक्त मैं सुंदरबन में, ये और एक माइंड में और एक I knew that life itself is an eternal teacher. मैं बहुत कुछ और सीखने का है बल्कि समझ में आया।
सर जो हमारे दर्शक हैं, जो अभी दर्शक आपको जो नहीं जानते हैं, जो देख रहे होंगे, सुंदर ये अपना कंट्री क्लब का जो मासिक पास होगा या जो मेंबरशिप है, क्या है वो जरा बताना चाहिए।
Country membership, you are associated with immediately 40 clubs, another own clubs and another 50 franchise clubs. And members can visit all these places across the country, and also we have got overseas affiliations with the international partners. So a lot of people travel a lot through country club, and we are the highest holiday givers in the country today. We have given last year about roughly 60,000 room nights, and I am sure I think this will go into about roughly 1 lakh room nights in the next couple of years.
सुंदरबन की प्लानिंग कब से?
अभी क्या
सुंदरबन की प्लानिंग कब से चलेगी?
हाँ वो पहले से माइंड में था अभी, बट अभी अब तो ज़रूरी हो गया बिकॉज इट इज़ बिकम ए नेसेसरी बिकॉज पीपल आर कमिंग नॉर्थ, वहाँ से दे आर कमिंग टू बंदीपुर. If we show them this place is not only meant for Calcutta. This place is not only meant for West Bengal. This place is not only meant for India. This is a global project. I am telling you, the country club will take it to a global level, and I am sure because we are now global players. Actually, we would like to compete with global players, and not compete. I will say we would like to showcase the beauty about Indian tourism. Indian tourism is one of the biggest employer and one of the biggest foreign exchange revenue generators. So that way we will be able to make a huge contribution to the economy of the country, to the economy of this thing, and also we will be a very big guide to the foreign tourists also.
सबसे पहले तो आप मीडिया भी बताइए, आपको ऐसा है कि अगर मीडिया में बंदे कुछ कहेंगे
Definitely discount. Media, I mean, we always have friends from the media visiting us. I want them to see. अगर आप लोग नहीं देखे तो आप ये कंट्री क्लब में 20 साल पहले मैं आया वक्त ये बोर्ड when you put the board ये 100 फीट नीचे था, माइन था, रोड क्लोज था, कोई नहीं समझे कि कंट्री क्लब आएगा बोल के यहाँ. बट मैं मीडिया फ्रेंड सपोर्टेड विद दैट टाइम. पूरे कंट्री क्लब आ रहा है हैदराबाद में, वैसा है अभी यहाँ भी आ रहा है बोल के मेरा ऑफिस सामने केकिया पार्क में ऊपर टॉप फ्लोर में ऑफिस लगा के लोग मेरे को ऑफिस सेल्स पीपल देखने आया था, बैनर देखने लगा के वहाँ आ रहा कंट्री क्लब, वहाँ आ रहा कंट्री क्लब बोलते थे. ये लिंक रोड का रोड भी क्लोज था, घूम के आते थे लोग. तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू इज वी हैव टू लुक इनटू द फ्यूचर. जो आज आई एम ए एंटरप्रेन्योर, आई वुड लाइक टू लुक into the future, see what we can do. Today we have the muscle of 2 million members. That is a very big advantage for us, number one. Number two is it's a family club. There is and also they have the experience. एक हमारे से जुड़े हुए जो है ना, एक दफा हाथ मिलाने के बाद कंट्री क्लब नेवर goes back. In spite of everything, I mean everything. Even COVID के टाइम पर में we were able to succeed. I mean we had so many programs like yoga था. We had yoga online करे. Nobody in the world has done this. Country club at your doorstep, online yoga. So what I'm trying to tell you is, at any given point of time, there's so many are there. At any given point of time, we are trying to mold ourselves along according to the situation. And Abhi, this is the time where we want to showcase this beautiful project to our members, to our media friends, especially. आप आना जरूरी है बहुत. आपको आप लोगों को you have to share this particular project and the concept with the rest of the world. It is very important to promote it and to see as it is. Where every day in wildlife, every day you find something different. Every minute you find something different. So it's a really beautiful experience. And cruise में गए तो unbelievable. Sunrise morning उठ के देखे तो अलग रहता. Sunset देखे तो अलग रहता. आप डेट प्रिपेयर करो. I'll tell my
राजीव सर, बहुत सारी आपको बधाई. और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपने जो प्रोमो देखा आपका लैंड का, तो आप बता सकते लैंड एरिया कितना बड़ा है, और साथ ही वाइल्ड लाइफ में आप जो अपने कस्टमर्स को लेके जाएंगे उसके सेफ्टी के लिए क्या क्या प्रिपरेशन आपने किया?
No, safety के लिए we are definitely taking care of that because we have got yachts and private boats and this thing we are definitely like how we did it in wildlife Bandipur, no? पहले कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा था, हम ही करे ना. We have taken special permissions, we have done everything what is required to see the protection. Like पूजा बेटी को लेके तो absolutely they डरते थे लोग आने के लिए. और वो टाइम पर भी वीरप्पन का स्केयर था, बट हम गए थे एंड वी आर लकी टू गेट द प्रोजेक्ट. एंड वो टाइम पर पूरे प्रोजेक्ट बनता, बट हम कंट्री क्लब took the bold step of entering Bandipur during the Veerappan's time and हम झंडा गाड़े और हम आगे बढ़े and we were taking the risk. And उसके साथ में lot of other resorts also opened slowly. हम we used to start in the early morning, बस लगाते थे, Volvo बस हमारे इंदिरा नगर ऑफिस में कॉफ़ी पिलाते थे. मैसूर रोड क्लब में हम उनको ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाते थे, इडली वड़ा डोसा गीचा. फिर मैसूर क्लब में भी गिव देम बिस्मिल्लाबाद. एंड बंदीपुर में एंटर होने के बाद वी टू पुट देम ऑन गार्लैंड एंड एंटर वेलकम देम. वो सिचुएशन में कोई नहीं जाता था वहाँ, बट वी मेड ऑल द फैसिलिटीज. सो हम करेंगे. We are aware. We want to look at before we do anything. I always tell my people look at other person's point of view, their perspective, उनका safety, उनका because it's our responsibility. I mean, definitely. I mean, so many clubs are happening, so many things around the country is happening. So we have to make sure that their security is our priority. We have to treat them. I treat them like extension of our family only. मेरे को, I mean, whether it's my colleagues or whether it is members and all that, no. They are nothing but an extension of my personality and my family actually.
So sir, temperature is close to picture as you see, and right now you also started a campaign, Chalo Sundarban campaign. Earlier you also started same kind of campaign. So ये what कैसे आई कि इस वाली campaign की जरूरी है to save nature?
Same nature. People, this generation, I am telling you, we should address this generation. They should not get into false values. ड्रग्स में जाते हैं, इसमें जाते हैं, स्मोकिंग करते हैं. ये पूरा दे शुड सी नेचर एज गॉड हैज गिवन दिस प्लैनेट. सो वो नज़र में देखे तो उनको एजुकेशन देता. ये पूरा स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाते, कॉलेज में नहीं पढ़ाते. द पेरेंट्स हैव टू टीच देम एंड वी हैव टू लर्न. इनफैक्ट लाइक आई वाज ऑलवेज टेलिंग यू बिफोर आल्सो, लाइफ इज एन इटर्नल टीचर. एवरी डे इज अ लर्निंग डे. एवरी डे you learn every day from other people. So whenever I come to meetings and all that, I don't tell them. मैं भाषण नहीं देता. मैं उनसे पूछता हूँ क्या हो रहा है, क्या है उनके what is this thing, members ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, how why they are happy or not. Okay. So there is our way of looking at things. So I mean we are addressing an entire generation altogether. So it is a huge moral responsibility on our part to make sure that they are happy, they are very enlightened, and they also believe in the concept. पहले वाइल्ड लाइफ का कॉन्सेप्ट कोई नहीं बिलीव करता था. They never used to understand, but now with the country club coming in there, huge response. So I'm sure. I think going ahead, we'll be also getting involved in other projects here.
Like, what will be your future plan or projects that you are doing apart from Sundarban? Anything else working or
We are also in clubbing. Yes, we are also looking at other franchises partners, not only in India but in the rest of the world also. Because the traveling, I mean, today the world is flat. वो ज़माना चलेगा कि because you can see so many e facilities आ गए, so many countries without visa जाने का तो पहले नहीं था अपने को. पहले even to get a visa to neighboring country also you used to take 1 month 2 months और कभी visa भी नहीं मिलता था. तो ज़माना बदल गया है बहुत. Today you can travel like anything, and traveling has increased. My person, I went to had the opportunity of visiting Australia and New Zealand. मैं 1 month के लिए गया था मैं just to check up what is happening because I wanted to get into strategic alliances with some partners there. And it's a beautiful and another beautiful thing I observed. Most of the people who are traveling, वो 40 plus के हैं. 40 years होते हैं उनको सोशल सिक्योरिटी मिलता. महीने को 10 लाख रुपए जमा होता है उनको. जॉब रिजाइन कर देके कुछ काम नहीं रहता. गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं तो मदर फादर उठते ही बच्चे अपने इंडियन टाइप नहीं होना. They will only take care of themselves and they will enjoy life like anything. इतना अच्छा सॉलिड रहते हैं. पूरा 100 किलो से कोई कम नहीं रहता. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो, न्यूजीलैंड में वैसे है. ब्यूटीफुल कंट्रीज. What I'm trying to tell you is traveling is become the order of the day. No. कुछ ना वो उनका अभी उनका राज है भैया. अपन कब आए हो तब. It is not like getting Shah Rukh Khan or Salman Khan. वो हम बोल सकते हैं भाई. Because Shah Rukh Khan performed on us. दुबई में परफॉर्म किया सलमान खान अपने को यहाँ इनफैक्ट ही डिड इन बॉम्बे कंट्री क्लब एंड बैंगलोर कंट्री क्लब. सो उनको बुला सकते हैं बिकॉज दे आर ऑल प्रोफेशनल्स. सो दो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर देम. बट ये एनिमल्स तो अपने को नहीं, वी कैन कमांड देम. वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुली सी वेरी क्वाइटली. ज़्यादा बात नहीं करना, हल्लू दिखते रहना. बड़ा क्लास गाइड रहता और ब्यूटीफुल बंगाली गाइड्स है. एंड इनफैक्ट मैं 2 दिन में थोड़ा बंगाली में सीख गया मैं. And amazing, intelligent people. I like them. So this is beautiful. They explain. No, this was like this. ये सुंदरबन बोले तो सुंदरी, सुंदरी बोलते हैं झाड़ है. ये झाड़ के पीछे सुंदरी है. सुंदरी बोलते बंगाली में है. उसके लिए सुंदरबन से नाम क्रिएट हुआ कि आपने को नहीं मालूम, मेरे को नहीं मालूम था. सुंदरबन क्यों है, नाम कैसा है? Because of is known as a beautiful lady. Translation. So जब मेरे समझ में आया कि what this man is talking is a lot of sense, and that man like we have gone to the best colleges here and there, but still we are so stupid that we did not even understand what is the name given Bulke. So it was a very nice experience for me, talking to guides, talking to this thing. So nobody is 100% perfect.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. God bless. Take care.
और ये चलो कंट्री क्लब से किस प्रकार से जुड़े, थोड़ा बताना प्लीज.
मैं राहिला रहमान और मैं कंट्री क्लब में सोशल मीडिया क्रिएटिव हेड हूँ एंड साथ ही साथ I'm an actor एंड सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर. और सुंदरबन एक्चुअली जैसा सर ने बोला कि मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा वाइल्ड लाइफ से मैं अट्रैक्टेड हूँ और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वाइल्ड लाइफ को पसंद करती हूँ. तो सुंदरबन प्रोजेक्ट जब मुझे पता चला, पहले बदलीपुर का था तो उसमें भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड थी. एंड नाउ व्हेन आई केम टू नो अबाउट सुंदरबन, दैट वाज एक्चुअली वेरी एक्साइटिंग. वो आइडिया ही बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग था. तो स्टार्ट करा कंट्री क्लब कोलकाता से, रिजॉर्ट जो वहाँ पर बना हुआ है कंट्री क्लब का, वहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हुए हमने पूरी जर्नी कवर की. एंड दैट वाज एक्चुअली अ प्राइसलेस एक्सपीरियंस. इतना खूबसूरत सब कुछ था. मैं आपको स्टार्टिंग से बिगिनिंग से बताती हूँ. कंट्री क्लब में जब हम एंटर होंगे, द मोमेंट यू विल एंटर द कंट्री क्लब रिजॉर्ट, यू विल फील लाइक ये कहाँ आ गए हम. इट्स सो पीसफुल, इट्स सो काम. इतना खूबसूरत है कि आप लोग देखोगे तो आपको मज़ा आ जाएगा, जैसे कि आपने एवी में देखा भी होगा. इट्स लाइक ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड. बर्ड्स हैं वहाँ, डक्स हैं, और यू नो इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. स्विमिंग एरिया है अपना प्राइवेट, एंड खाना तो जैसा आपने पहले भी बोला था, खाना तो इतना ऑसम है कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया यू नो पीपल आर जस्ट यू नो अप्रिशिएटिंग द टेस्ट ऑफ कंट्री क्लब. एंड उसके बाद एक क्रूज पे ऑर्गेनाइज करके हम सुंदरबंस की तरफ बढ़े, एंड दैट वाज एन एक्सपीरियंस. मैं सब लोगों को ये चीज़ बोलूँगी कि हम लोग एक क्वालिटी टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर पाते, बी इट विद द फ्रेंड्स और विद द फैमिली, एंड दिस हैपन्स विद एवरीवन. सो ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कंट्री क्लब लेकर आया है, जिसमें आपको यू नो एक पीस ऑफ माइंड मिलेगा, एक क्वालिटी टाइम मिलेगा ऑन द क्रूज इफ़ यू आर गोइंग. तो उसमें आप यू नो बहुत सारी चीज़ें खेल सकते हो, कार्ड्स प्ले कर सकते हो, म्यूजिक पे डांस कर सकते हो, कैंडल लाइट डिनर्स कर सकते हो. यू विल गेट दैट होल डे, क्योंकि वहाँ पर आप अगर चलोगे क्रूज पे तो फिर आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा सुंदरबन पहुँचने में. तो वो मीनवाइल जो आपका टाइम होगा दैट विल बी ऑसम. और आसपास का एरिया एज यू सॉ इन द वीडियो, इट वॉज सो ब्यूटिफुल कि आपका मन ही नहीं करेगा कि आप रेस्ट कर लो, आपको मन करेगा बस खड़े होकर क्रूज पे देखते रहो आसपास. एंड व्हेन यू विल रीच सुंदरबन, वहां पर जाकर आपको पता चलेगा एक्चुअली में वाइल्ड लाइफ क्या होती है. हम लोगों ने सबने टीवी पे देखा है कि टाइगर आ रहा है सामने से, वी वर लकी टू स्पॉट फ्यू टाइगर या फिर एलिगेटर. दैट वाज सो क्लोज एनकाउंटर विद एलिगेटर कि उसको तो मतलब यू नो छू सकते थे. तो इट वाज लाइक आप देखोगे देन यू विल एक्सपीरियंस कि कैसा है वो माहौल. सो आई वुड लाइक all of the people, everyone from here in the country, from Mumbai, from everywhere or all over India, to go and visit that place just once. It's like awesome. And सभी लोग वहाँ पे दोबारा जाना चाहेंगे. सिर्फ सुंदरबंस ही नहीं, बल्कि ये जो पूरा कंप्लीट एक्सपीरियंस है कंट्री क्लब से स्टार्ट होते हुए, वी हैव मेड इट सो ईजी फॉर एवरीवन कि व्हेन यू विल रीच द रिजॉर्ट, everything is provided to you. We are definitely going to guide you, provide you with the cruise and other facilities to reach that Sundarbans very safely. As you asked कि safety measures क्या है, तो safety measures पूरे properly we are going to land them there. Even if the cabs are provided, we are going to provide those cabs to them. Everything is perfectly done. So I would like all of you to promote this project as much as you can, because it's really going to rock in the future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.